Heal my heart, Lord. You see the brokenness within me, the silent pain, the disappointments, the relationships that didn't work, and the hopes that collapsed. You see what I don't even have words to explain. Heal my heart, Lord. Take every shattered piece and gently put me back together again. Where I feel torn, mend me. Where I feel empty, fill me. Restore my joy, restore my laughter and my peace. Return me to a place of trust and hope, a place where I can love without fear and without building walls. Your word says that you can remove a heart of stone and give a heart of flesh. So, soften me again. Don't let pain make me cold. Don't let betrayal make me bitter. And don't let disappointment make me distant. Protect my heart, Lord. Shut every door to those who seek to harm, manipulate, or break me. Guard me from the agents of darkness who come disguised as light. Surround me instead with people who build me up, who strengthen me, and who handle my heart with grace and care. Lord, if my heart is frail, strengthen me so that when I walk through trials, I cross over stronger than before. If my heart has been naive, give me discernment. Teach me what is healthy, what is pure, and what is aligned with your will. Teach me to guard my heart with diligence, for out of it flow the issues of life. Train me not to give it away carelessly. Anchor it in you first, before anything else. Let my heart be healed, whole, wise, and rooted in you. Jesus, I will never let you go. Come rain or sunshine, come hell or high water. In cold seasons and in dry places, I am holding on to you. In good times and in bad, on peaceful days and stormy nights, I will keep my eyes fixed on you and I will not avert my gaze. I may be shaken, but I will not be moved. I may be tested, but I will not lose focus. For you are my anchor in every storm and my foundation when everything else trembles. Even when the fire is burning, I know there is a fourth man in the flame. Even when I'm surrounded by lions, I know their mouths are shut by your power. Even when deep waters rise around me, you are the God who parts seas and makes a way where there is none. You are the mountain mover, the promise keeper, and the faithful one. So I will not release my grip on your word. I will not abandon your promises. I will remain planted until everything you have spoken concerning me is fulfilled. One thing have I desired of the Lord, and that will I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord and to inquire in his temple. Search me, O God. Show me the hidden places that need your light. Show me the areas where I think I'm right but I'm actually wrong. Expose what is not like you. Reveal the parts of me that resist your will. Correct me before you elevate me. Fix my character before you expand my territory. Show me my blind spots. Uncover the areas I cannot see on my own. The pride I've disguised as confidence, the fear I've renamed wisdom, and the wounds I've protected instead of surrendered. Search me beyond my words and into my motives. Test my intentions, weigh my desires. If there is anything in me that grieves you, Lord, bring it to the surface. Expose what I've justified, shine a light on what I've ignored. Disrupt what is comfortable but not holy. Correct me gently, Lord. Teach me where I am wrong, lead me where I am weak. If my heart has grown cold, warm it again. If my spirit has become dull, Lord, awaken it. If I have drifted, draw me back. Father, I don't want hidden darkness. I don't want secret resistance. I want truth in the inward parts. Refine my thoughts, purify my desires, and align my will with yours. Search me completely. When you find what is broken, heal it. When you find what is crooked, straighten it. When you find what is yours, strengthen it. I open myself fully to you. Nothing hidden, nothing defended, nothing withheld. Search me, O Lord, and make me new.